Welcome to TechTonicTwist, where we review the latest and greatest gadgets and gizmos. In today's video, we will be discussing about 10 Amazon products that are worth buying. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. So, without further ado, let's get started. First up, we have this awesome waterproof military tactical jacket. If you're looking for a jacket that can handle any weather and any adventure, look no further than the waterproof military tactical jacket. This jacket is made of high-quality materials that are scratch-resistant, stretchy, and comfortable. It has a polar fleece lining that keeps you warm and dry, and a durable water-repellent finish that resists water, dirt, and oil. It also has a 3D hood that can be hidden or expanded, and an axillary ventilation system that prevents overheating. But that's not all. This jacket also has 7 functional pockets that can store your tactical pen, light, headphones, keys, cards, and more. It has a unique design that offers durability and protection, with drawstrings on the waist and hood, adjustable wrist cuffs, and a double zipper. Whether you're hiking, hunting, camping, cycling, fishing, or just going out, this jacket is perfect for any outdoor activity. You can choose from different colors and sizes and refer to the size chart for accurate measurements. Trust us, this is a jacket you'll want to have in your wardrobe. If you're a fan of Apple products, this 3-in-1 travel charger is a lifesaver. This charger is a must-have for anyone who owns an iPhone, an Apple Watch, and AirPods. It can charge all 3 devices simultaneously with fast wireless charging up to 15 watts. It's also compatible with any MagSafe-enabled device, which means you can just snap your phone or watch onto the charger and enjoy a hassle-free charging experience. The charger has a sleek and stylish fabric finish and an optimized nightstand mode that lets you use your devices as an alarm clock or a bedside lamp, and a travel case that makes it easy to carry and store. With this charger, you'll never have to worry about running out of battery or tangled cords. This is a charger that will make your life easier and more convenient. If you want to upgrade your home security and convenience, you should check out the August Home Wi-Fi Smart Lock. This smart lock fits on the inside of your door, making your regular deadbolt smarter, more secure, and way more convenient. You can keep your keys just in case, but you won't need them. You can control your lock with your voice using your favorite voice assistant, including Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, Samsung SmartThings, and more. You can also grant access to your home with the August app, which lets you share permanent, scheduled, or temporary access to your home with friends, family, and other people you trust. You can forget key copying and never put a key under the doormat again. The smart lock is easy to install on any door, even if you're not so handy. It's not much bigger than your original thumb turn, and it doesn't change the look of the outside of your front door. The smart lock also has some amazing features, such as auto locks and unlocks, which let you enter and exit your home hands-free. It also has door sense, which automatically secures your home once your door is closed, or after a set amount of time. This is a smart lock that will keep your home's curb appeal and give you peace of mind. If you need a precise and efficient way to measure distances, you should try the Bilateral laser measurement tool. This is a very unique, easy, and powerful laser measuring tool that can measure any distance up to 300 feet or 120 meters without having to strain your body or resort to dangerous positions. You can acquire the distance between 2 points by positioning yourself anywhere in the line of measurement. The tool has a patented coaxial optics technology that ensures 100% two-way beam alignment, providing extreme measuring accuracy up to plus Arcer 1 by 16 inch for bidirectional measurement. The tool also has an exquisite design and high-quality workmanship. It has a precisely machined metal housing, simple-to-use buttons with laser-engraved intuitive labels, and an extra compact and lightweight body. It's made of aircraft-grade magnesium-aluminum alloy, which makes it durable enough and highly wear and corrosion-resistant to withstand rugged job site conditions and extreme temperatures. It also has a backlit HD OLED and an innovative big text mode that make measurements easy to read in dark areas. The tool also has some unique features, such as a 1 Newton line segment division function that automatically divides a line segment into n equal smaller segments. This feature automatically realizes staking out function by splitting the stakeout line into several equal sections, which replaces traditional stakeout feature of a laser tape measure that requires continuous measuring. The tool also has a middle laser marking beam that provides visualized reference and allows precise marking of the measuring point. The tool also has app connectivity, which lets you transfer all the measuring results to a Smart Life sketching app. You can quickly construct a plan, make a sketch, and share results across your partners. This is a tool that will save you time and make your measurements more accurate and convenient. You're looking for a portable charger that can charge multiple devices wirelessly and quickly? Then you should check out the wireless portable charger Power Bank. This power bank is featured by wireless charging, 5 watt, 7.5 watt, 10 watt, and 15 watt max. It can fast charge most wireless devices as a large capacity rechargeable power supply, and also can be a high power fast cordless charger pad, eliminating the embarrassment of forgetting the cable. If you're looking for a futuristic and stylish digital clock that can do much more than just tell time, then you need to check out the Divoom Times Gate. This cyberpunk-inspired device features 5 full-color LCD displays that can show stunning pixel art, animated GIFs, and customizable data dials. You can control everything from your smartphone using the Divoom app and create your own screen patterns and dials to suit your mood and preferences. It's not just a clock, it's your intelligent life assistant. And if that's not enough, the Times Gate also has a dual-edge ambient light and a customizable backlight that can create 12 mesmerizing light effects, making your gaming room or office look awesome. The Times Gate is the perfect gift for anyone who loves technology, art, and creativity. Looking for a handy and versatile tool that can help you with any situation? Then you need to check out the Dpnao Multitool Wrench. This is a portable and lightweight device that can fit in your pocket and has 7 different tools that you can use for camping, fishing, hiking, cooking, hunting, picnic, home, road trip, DIY, and more. The Dpnao Multitool Wrench has a hidden appearance and can transform into pliers, wire cutter, flat screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, wrench, knife, and a removable pocket clip. It has an ergonomic design that can be used by both right-handed and left-handed people and has a nice feel in the hands. The Dpnao Multitool Wrench is the ultimate tool for anyone who loves adventure and convenience. Up next, let's talk about CLEMT Premium Car Scent Diffuser. If you're looking for a luxury and elegant car air freshener that can enhance your driving experience, then you need to check out the CLEMT Premium Car Scent Diffuser. This is a sleek and stylish device that can clip to your vehicle AC vent or attach to your interior with a magnetic removable vent clip. It comes with 2 or 3 bottles of premium essential oils, depending on the model you choose, and you can adjust the screw-on cap to control the intensity of the fragrance. The CLEMT Premium Car Scent Diffuser has a pure and natural essential oil base and no phthalate or harmful chemicals. It also has a portable size and a 100% premium aluminum material, making it durable and elegant. The CLEMT Premium Car Scent Diffuser is the perfect gift for anyone who loves luxury and aroma. If you're looking for a unique and artistic clock that can change its shape and size, then you need to check out the Pakusane Animaro Solstice clock. This is a beautiful and innovative device that can breathe in and out over a 12-hour period, gradually opening and closing like a flower. At midday, when the sun is highest in the sky, the clock face is at its largest. At 6 p.m., when the sun has dropped lower in the sky, the clock face is at its smallest. The Pakusane Animaro Solstice clock has 2 modes, clock mode and demo mode. In clock mode, it functions just like a clock, keeping time and completing 1 rotation every 12 hours. In demo mode, it completes 1 rotation every minute, beautifully opening and closing in front of your eyes. It will switch to clock mode after 30 minutes automatically. The Pakusane Animaro Solstice clock is the perfect gift for anyone who loves design and nature. And finally, we have the FeiyuTech Pocket 3 kit. If you're looking for a cordless and detachable gimbal camera that can capture stunning 4K videos, then you need to check out the FeiyuTech Pocket 3 kit. This is a versatile and innovative device that can detach easily from the remote control handle and transform into a multi-purpose, go-anywhere mountable camera. You can use the gimbal camera separately with the FeiyuCam app, or attach it to a helmet, car roof, or any magnetic surface with the built-in magnets, and control it from the handle with the Feiyu app in your hand. The FeiyuTech Pocket 3 kit also has an AI intelligent tracking function, which can automatically track moving objects and get a cool dynamic video in no time. The FeiyuTech Pocket 3 kit provides a maximum resolution of 4K at 60 FPS, keeping your recorded video clear even when placed on a large screen or projected. Thank you for watching this video of TechTonicTwist, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech and gadgets. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. We hope to see you again in our next video. Until then, stay tuned and stay twisted.